Dear student, I am Venus Saxena. Uh, I am telling you about the trigonometry. All question we have to take from R.D. Sharma. And then for this list, in this first list, I am telling you about formula for the trigonometry in your 10th class. Okay. See here that trigonometry, it is the trigonometry for 10th class. In there it is maths list 1. In this list we are telling you about some formula of trigonometry in your course. Means अगर मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा हिंदी और थोड़ा इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन कर दे रहा हूँ, हालांकि देयर नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंग्लिश एंड मैथ्स. You should always remember the scientific word here, mathematical word here. Then see here, all the trigonometry we use the right angle here, A, B and C. When we take this angle, its opposite side is perpendicular. That side is base and this is known as hypotenuse. मीन्स क्या हुआ कि अगर हम कोई ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल हम ये जो राइट एंगल है, इट इज राइट एंगल एट बी, देन दिस इज राइट एंगल एट बी, देन इट इज ऑलवेज 90 एंगल, इट इज 90 राइट एंगल. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम ये एंगल लेते हैं देन इसके सामने वाली जो भुजा होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड परपेंडिकुलर. It is base, it is hypotenuse. In your course, there are 6 trigonometrical ratios here. What is the trigonometrical ratio here? When this is 6 trigonometrical ratio is in form of sine, cos, tan. Opposite of sine is cosine. Opposite of cos is sec and opposite of tan is cot. You have not to read any formula. You have to not remember any formula for your course in means 10th class. I am taking tricks here. Suppose this angle is theta. Then theta is used for to indicate the angle. Means theta जो है वो एंगल को इंडिकेट करने के लिए, किसी एंगल को इंडिकेट करने के लिए जो होता है वो हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. देन इफ ऑन व्हाट इज द रेशियो बिटवीन साइन, व्हाट इज द रेशियो, इट इज साइन कॉस sec cot and tan cos. You should remember that it is the ratio of perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Suppose we take the angle theta. अगर हम थीटा एंगल लेते हैं देन इट्स अपोजिट आर्म इज परपेंडिकुलर, इट इज हाइपोटेन्यूज, इट इज बेस. देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल साइन थीटा बिकम P upon H, यानी means of sin theta is perpendicular, means of sin theta. It is not word, it is ratio. Sin theta is ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. Similarly, when we take theta here, then its base ratio cos theta is known as B upon H, means base upon hypotenuse H. We should indicate here. And when we take tan theta, it is the ratio between perpendicular upon base. मीन्स क्या हुआ, मैं आपको हिंदी बता दे रहा हूँ. जो साइन थीटा होता है उसे हम परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज, इट इज द रेशियो एंड द रेशियो हैव नो यूनिट हेयर. साइन थीटा इज परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज, यानी साइन थीटा जो होता है वो परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज होता है. कॉस थीटा जो होता है वो बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेनस होता है, टेन थीटा इज ऑलवेज परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस होता है. Similarly, I am telling you about this one cosec 6 trigonometrical ratio here. It is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta. We can use here theta. Okay, then sin theta is opposite to cosec theta is opposite to sin theta. Then sin theta is p upon h, any perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Then its opposite ratio become hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Cos theta is just sec theta is opposite to cos theta. Then its ratio is based upon hypotenuse. Then it becomes its opposite hypotenuse upon base. Similarly, tan cot theta is opposite to sin theta, then its ratio become b, that is p upon b, it is b upon p. The ratio, because tan theta cot theta is opposite to sin theta, then its value is p upon b, then it is b upon p. It is opposite to one another. तो इतनी वीडियो मैं आपको यहाँ पे भेजूँगा. फिर यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी आपको चीज़ बता रहा हूँ, जैसे आपको ये सब कुछ कोई भी फॉर्मूला, you have not to remember any formula for trigonometry. I am using tricks and giving you formula. You have not to remember this formula. You should know, if we want to learn this formula, we should use a word. Here you can remember this formula like that. It is Pandit Badri Parshad. नीचे लिखेंगे हर बोल. This is a trick to use. This is the trick to remember this formula with this word. हिंदी में बोल दे रहा हूँ आपको कि अगर आपको ये सब फॉर्मूले याद करनी है तो आप ये सब याद मत करिए, कि एक वर्ड का ध्यान रखिए. मैं हिंदी इंग्लिश दोनों बता देता हूँ आपको. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर बोल. अगर हम इन्हें सबको अलग अलग करते हैं, P upon H means P is used for perpendicular here. Sorry, H is used hypotenuse. Then P upon H means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. It is the ratio of sin theta here. You can see, you have not to remember this. You should always use this word. Use that word to indicate this formula. Then B upon H. This is B upon H means base upon hypotenuse. Then base upon hypotenuse become the cos theta. See here. And tan theta is P upon B. P upon B means P is used for perpendicular and B is used for base. Then its ratio become P upon B. It is P upon B. P for perpendicular, B for base. Then we can remember tan theta like that, P upon B. When we use opposite of that one, means H, B, it is numerator, and the denominator become P, B, and P. We have opposite here. Then you should use like that H upon B. H upon P become the cosec 1, cosec theta, and H upon B it is used as sec theta, and B upon P it is used in cot theta. Then it's opposite, tan theta opposite this one. I am sending you first video फॉर यू। आपको सबसे पहले ये वाली जो लिस्ट है वो भेज रहा हूँ। अभी 2 दिन कम से कम आपको हम फॉर्मूले ही बताएंगे, और अगर किसी को कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं आता है मेरे व्हाट्सअप नंबर पे वो डाल दे वैल्यू।